Alright, welcome back to the Mach E Connection with another accessory video. See what we got in the bag. Volume knobs by AOSK. Alright, so we got the box. Got a nice little pouch. Inside the pouch, we have some rubber knobs. Not rubber knobs, metal knobs. On the inside here, they got nice foam. So that just goes right over. Like that. And it does feel a lot better. And we got this big one. Oh, it looks like it comes with extra foamy bits on the inside, so you can, if you ever want to place the foamy bit in the insert, you can, but there is one already inside stock. Pushes right on. So yeah, the knobs fully installed. I say I am very impressed. Very good build quality, very good feel. They're not sharp, nice and smooth, and just feel premium. Another thing I like about it too is my screen protector. I do have a screen protector on here. You can't even see the edge of the screen protector anymore around the knob. So, big win from AOSK. I definitely recommend this product. So with that, see you later.